All right, traders and non-traders that have come to the channel, welcome. If you are new to the channel, you can see obviously I've got a lot of videos and everything like that. Again, if you're interested in learning like what are the most important videos, please just feel free to leave a comment in the description section, in the comment section, sorry. I write the description section, although I haven't been doing that really well recently. But anyway, let's do an end of week update on all my positions. So now, in regards to FX, I didn't take any FX positions. I do have a managed account with. All right, I'll just show you Forex briefcase here. So this is who I'm with for my Forex managed account, and they've been going all right. Like, I mean, this is how it's going this month. So it's been probably about 2 weeks with them. So we had a little bit of positive growth, and then we've had this. So it is what it is in regards to that. But so they're actually in the max growth period right now as well. So this is something that's good for me. I like to show everything. I want to show how it grows, and also, I mean, I just want to also disclaim that I am the Australian Accounts Manager as well for this service. So if you are looking to invest, and I'm real though, I keep it real. That is actually what the account is doing currently right now. So a little bit more frequent trading that goes on in regards to me monitoring the MT4. I can't see the trades that they actually do, but most, I'm okay. I'm okay with that, and that's money that I've set aside for a little bit more. You have to understand, like, Forex trading is a little more high risk. So, and what we'll do, we'll go through everything that I've got right now and what's going on, and we'll see. Now, in regards to equity positions, I don't have a large portfolio in the US. I use stake. Still waiting for ComSec to allow me to trade international stocks. So I have applied for that. I think it was on Monday. So I think they sent me an email yesterday, which was Friday, about it, and it should be 3 business days. So maybe by Tuesday. But these are the positions. So, I was a little optimistic here with that entry on Tesla and Apple, but this is pretty small size here. So just an initial, tentative play just to see if it was optimism was going to flood back in, and it didn't really. So I think that was yesterday, or no, that was Thursday, and that was on last week on Friday or even Thursday. So that was those positions. So as you can see, those are the entries and last price. So it is what it is. It's, it's okay. And as you can see, total returns. So we're down, around total 3.44%. So that's that. And then here are my holdings as well. Brew Life, pretty speculative. ZipPay, initial execution wasn't too great on that. FMG, I'm okay with. There is a little bit of China tensions present. I mean, quite a lot. So we'll see. Again though, these positions, FMG is nearly fully loaded actually, to be honest. So this is probably going to get interesting. But I, obviously will be broadcasting what's going on. We've got a stock spot position as well. I'll probably add to this as well, just to offer some passive income as well, just with what I've got going on. So probably another 10,000 more, I would say. And then that's it, guys. So we've got the stock spot. I also put a little bit more money in. I put about $20,000 more dollars in my superannuation as well. So we'll see. My thought process is that really what we need is COVID-19 vaccine news to be positive, and that's going to help a little bit. But you got to understand, with the tech stocks, like, that's really what's driving sentiment. People are like, oh, and then obviously in the Aussie markets, you can see with a bit of a reality check on Afterpay and ZipPay, things like that. And then September 28th, the government payments decreased a little bit. And people were just degenerates, they were using their superannuation money to gamble in the stock market. When I say that, trading is it's like a professional poker player. Like, if you're a good trader, it's like that. There's always an element there of unknown, but you try and play the probabilities. So if you're a good trader, it's much different than just getting $10,000 from your superannuation and then just going in long afterpay. Especially at this stage of the game. Zip pay, I'm okay with that entry. I might add to that a little bit. We'll see. What I want to see, first of all, is what the price action is communicating to me. And I feel overall the context with China and what's been going on is very US-esque with cancellations of visas and things like that and raiding. And it's just like very unsettling, but I feel that FMG are pretty keenly positioned. And, worst case scenario would be if China like, oof. But there's nowhere for them to go because Brazil are completely out of action with iron ore production. And, I was talking to a gentleman at the gym who's from Brazil, and he was saying it's just, there's stability there, but it's just, it can flare up so easily because they're just letting it go, which is just how things are over there with the state of their economy. They can't really do much. So, but this week was a good week in the gym as well. I signed up a few new clients. So that's why, guys, if you want to go full-time trading, and I'm working on other strategies, shorter time frame as well, because I do really appreciate Brain Chip was another great play shorter term. I didn't get to play that. I'm looking really to establish myself at the gym. Probably, honestly, take an investment in the gym, so I can obviously not be here as much, get paid a dividend. It's a wait and see process right now. We've got ad campaigns coming out now, and from there I'll see. There's a lot of time in the gym right now, so that's why I've got the managed account. Again, I'll be updating that weekly as well, so you guys can see what goes on with that. Because it's very important to understand, guys, how you behave in a drawdown situation. Very controlled drawdown situation with money that you're okay to have working for you. So you can't always expect it to go up. And if you can't deal with a pullback, it's like, well, how is it always going to go up? It doesn't happen. There's always going to be, look at the chart. Just look at it. So, in regards to my positions, it is what it is. It was a little bit more favorable last week. I was up in my shareholdings. I was up, not in stock spot, but we'll see how this all plays out, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.